Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Today let's do your love read and let's go a little deeper today. Let's see how you're feeling, how your partner's feeling, and how your energies are aligning at this time, and what is it that you need to know about this connection. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Libra, we're going to start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading and then we'll start. So my angels, blessing, guidance, advice or a message for my Libra, please. Blessing, guidance, advice or a message. By the way, the card that flipped out was you're a leader. So I think maybe you guys need to take the lead somewhere. And emotions. Wow. Okay, so these are very heavy emotions, Libra. Maybe you or your partner are going through some very deep-rooted issues and having like quite an emotional time at this time. So let's see why this card is here and what it needs to say to you. So welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support you've been sending to the channel, your love, your care, your beautiful comments, your likes, and thanks for keeping me motivated to keep these videos up and running. I'm very blessed and very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'll have your mutual energies that align both of you. And yes, if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And yes, Libra, one more thing. What was I going to say? I forgot. Yes, for the duration of the reading, Libra, I'll be mentioning this side as person A and this side as person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, right? You all know your stories. It's rather uncomfortable, at least for me, when I see somebody's reading and they keep saying, hey, Libra, you did this, you did that, and all the while you're trying to say, no, I'm on the other side. So I'll let you decide which side you're on, and let's start opening the cards. Bottom of my deck, Libra, I do see the Three of Wands. So this could be either waiting for something to come in, or this could be looking into the future and planning or trying to see what else is out there. Not what else is out there. This is like a deep contemplation card, and as to waiting for good fortune to come your way. Okay, maybe you're waiting for somebody else to come back your way, or maybe your partner's waiting for you to come back. I don't know. Let's see. Person A, Four of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, the Lovers, Five of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles. Okay. And side B, I have the Nine of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the King of Swords. Okay, so first look at the open cards here right now. Of course, the center ones we'll do later. From side A side, I feel that they have they're kind of feeling, maybe they weren't very satisfied in this relationship at one point, and they let it go. Maybe they were going back and forth, whether it's going to work, not work. Maybe they were waiting for you to make a decision. But right now, I think somebody on person A's side has made a decision to stop fighting for the connection. They feel, I'm not going to live in regret and sorrow for the rest of my life because nothing really seems to be working out. So they're trying to get out of this energy and not stay stuck in sadness. This person is on the verge of releasing this connection from what I feel. Of course, I'll clarify the cards and figure out what this is. But on person B's end, Libra, now you could be this side, you could be this side. This person is not happy. This person has Nine of Cups in reverse. They're emotionally dissatisfied, seeing that, all the time invested or all the years invested or nothing fruitified from this. The harvest didn't come in. Now they're feeling that they've lost a very strong long term potential with their partner, but now they want to make a decision. They want to make that decision now to go after their Ten of Cups, and they want to come in with clarity and truth, or they're looking for communication. Let's take some dialogue message cards, Libra, first. Let's get the ball rolling here. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the cards. And then do your mutual energies as well. Okay, one more. Thank you. Let's take a few from here. Libra to their partner spirit. Libra to the partner or vice versa. They could say something to each other, spirit. Thank you. And I'm going to take some true confessions as well to see what's the problem here. Libra and their partner spirit. Libra and their partner. Okay, I have enough, I think. Let's begin with the reading. I'm not your prince and you're not my princess. I am your emperor and you are my empress. Maybe that's the communication this person wants to bring now, saying, hey, listen, this was not a waste of time for nothing. I want to make this firm decision now that I do want to have this Ten of Cups with you. And you're just not anyone. You're just not a princess. I'm just not a prince. I am going to be your emperor and I want you to be my empress. That's nice. Let's see, second card. I'm embarrassed over how desperate I became and what I did. Do you still respect me? This is, I think, the feminine energy. This was the masculine energy here. So this is the feminine saying, hey, maybe I kind of chased you for a long time and now I realize I shouldn't have. And maybe, I also feel, maybe you think I was too desperate. I was taught that I had to earn my love by pleasing people. So maybe other people came into this connection, Libra. Maybe other people had a word in your relationship and they tried to listen to everybody and please other people. So that could have been a problem. Sometimes, because I know we will be together, I take you for granted. This could have been an issue that maybe one person felt, hey, I've already invested so much time and effort into this connection and where is this person going to go? I know eventually we're going to be together, but this probably came as a rude shock to them when I think they overstepped their boundaries maybe at some time, which forced their partner to make a decision to walk away. I act like I don't care, but deep down it affects me more than you'll ever know. I know you still check my social media. I don't check yours though anymore. So one person here who's trying to now not live in regret and sorrow has kind of given up waiting and saying, hey, I'm releasing this and I'm not even going to look back now. Why do you choose them over me? This may have been an issue. They were so busy pleasing the world that they took their own partner for granted. And that's what led to this person making a decision to release the connection. I just have other responsibilities to take care of. Now again, here's the same reference to pleasing others. So they were so, tied up in taking care of everybody else that this person, I think, took their own partner for granted. When I said I love you forever, I meant it. I thought the grass was going to be greener on the other side, but it wasn't. No wonder now this person is looking at, the harvest and saying, hey, nothing is really growing here. This person is looking very bored and dissatisfied with what the harvest that they're seeing. And they're realizing, hey, my partner was so much better, and this is the person who I won my 10 of cups with. And now they, I think, want to come and have some communication with their partner who's already released them. So let's see what's going to happen. Four of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Four of Cups in reverse. Four of Cups in reverse for person A. Yes, this person has walked away. I mean, I was totally right in my interpretation. This person has said, hey, I can't stay neglected and feeling rejected all the time. More than rejection, maybe more than once. And now this person has finally decided to, leave those 8 empty cups which were not emotionally satisfying them and walk away from the connection. So 2 of Pentacles, Spirit. 2 of Pentacles. 2 of Pentacles. Yes, they've turned their back. They didn't like the fact that they were being juggled or not being given importance. So they said, hey, I'm not one of the many that you're going to please, right? Maybe this person had other connections. Maybe they had other things to do apart from them, and this person finally got fed up of feeling the rejection each and every time. So I think person A has now turned their back and has walked away from the connection after feeling rejected and rejected more than once, I think. 7 of Wands. 7 of Wands. Yes, what this person wanted, that now they've kind of stopped fighting for this connection completely. They are off to a brand new beginning. They want something stable. They want something new, something that will have structure, that will have longevity. They're looking for a partner who can actually, they can have equal give and take with. Somebody who's at their level, who can actually offer them what they are offering their partner. They want a balanced relationship, and now they feel they are free now to make that choice because they walked away now. The Lovers in reverse, Spirit. Lover in reverse. Yes, they're off to a brand new beginning. They want a stable, very solid, stable, fresh new beginning. And now they want to make a choice to some relationship which will not always be trouble for them, right? They feel this past relationship has been very, very troubling, maybe emotionally dissatisfying. Now they've kind of made a decision that, hey, I'm going to put an end to the old one because now that's taken a totally wrong turn, according to person A. They don't want to be juggled anymore and they are dropping it. They're not waiting for anyone else to kind of bring them an offer. Person A has decided, I will make the decision. I am making that choice, Lovers in reverse, that I am putting a halt to this connection. 5 of Cups, Spirit. This is 5 of Cups. 5 of Cups. Yes, I think they've lived in confusions for so long now that they've decided, hey, listen, I don't want to be in confusion. I have the world open in front of me. I can choose whoever I want. Yes, I can be free. I can jump off that cliff and choose whoever I want. Why should I sit around in confusion when I have so many cups available to me? I'm not going to sit here always sad and in regret and sorrow. I can choose any 2 cups that I choose. Like one me and one somebody else who can be my 2 of Cups. This person is off for a fresh new beginning and totally wanting to release this connection. 4 of Pentacles, Spirit. 4 of Pentacles. Yes, they're calling judgment on this person, and yes, they feel they're calling judgment. They have already made their decision, their verdict has been signed. According to them, they feel this person is emotionally manipulative. This person is never been fair to them. They've never given emotions, and they're kind of calling judgment on this person to say, I release you. I release you. Okay, let's see person B now. Person B is in the 9 of Cups energy, not feeling emotionally happy at all at the moment. Why is that, Spirit? Now, Libra, this could be you, this could be you, I don't know, okay? So you'll be able to tell me. Okay. Yes, they are unhappy because they are missing their person now. Now they know that the memories created between them and, say, between person A and person B have been ruined now. And that's not making them happy at all. They feel there was, you guys could have known each other for a very long time. Maybe initially it felt like a soulmate connection. But now that things have gone wrong, this person is not happy with the outcome of what's happened. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Yes, this person wants to invest in this connection again. They want to bring some healing back to this connection. They are dreaming of their Ten of Cups, which I think is already ruined, right? This is what they want. They want this balance to come back into a connection which has been ruined already. What's this Ten of Pentacles, Spirit? Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles. Yes, they know this was my soulmate. They know this was my soulmate. This card came out sideways. I'm going to put it back. It was the Queen of Wands, but I'm going to put it back. So what's this Ten of Pentacles, Spirit? Ten of Pentacles. Yes, they're feeling bad about the fact that their Ten of Pentacles dream. Maybe this person had been planning for the future. And they feel, oh my God, my future has been now disrupted. And the stability of my life is gone now. Like, what do I have to look forward to now? They are realizing that they have been released. Exactly the same card as person A had. Okay, Seven of Wands. They've released them, and this person is realizing that yes, they've been dumped big time, and they've lost something very, very precious. So, Spirit, what's this decision now being made with the Two of Swords? Two of Swords. The decision that's being made, Libra, is that somebody wants to now tell the truth. Or maybe they want to come in with some clear communication. At least that's what they want. All right. Now that's the same problem, I think. One more. Oh. Okay, the problem is the same as has been for some time now, Libra. They've already made the decision as to what they want, who they want, right? They know that they want stability, they want their equal partner, they want to now come and tell the truth that you're the one I want. They want to come in with a love offer, they want to apologize, but the problem is here. The problem is here that they don't want to look foolish. They don't want to come in and feel rejected. They fear that their partner is not going to trust them now. They fear that if they come towards them, they'll be looked at as a fool because, they waited this long to make a decision maybe. What's this card? Yeah, okay. All right, so Ten of Cups, Spirit. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups. See, that's the same thing. They want this Ten of Cups with their partner. They know that this is my wish fulfillment, but can I achieve it? Ten of Cups in reverse. So even though they want to have this clear communication, now see the similarity between this. King of Cups upright, wish fulfillment, but can I have it? King of Swords upright, I want to have clear communication, but what can I say? Same card, King of Swords in reverse. So even though they want to, they know, but something is, stopping them. They're still holding back. They're still scared. They're still not being able to make that move out of fear that they're going to be rejected now. So, King of Swords, Spirit. King of Swords. Because they fear that their partner may not want to take action with them now, or maybe they fear that their partner is very upset and angry with them still. So that's the reason they are, I think, a little scared to even come forward. Heart of Hearts, what this person really wants is not to shut this chapter down, because closing the chapter with their partner would mean absolute zero wish fulfillment. This is what they're feeling. I have two cards suggesting the same. Nine of Cups in reverse, Nine of Cups in reverse. Absolutely no happiness, no wish fulfillment. So even though they want to come and they don't want this chapter to end, I think this person is still waiting or holding back because A, they feel they'll be rejected. B, they feel they may look like a fool now, that they ruined something so beautiful, and why are you back now? Because they feel their partner is still very upset and angry with them. So they're sitting in their emotions and holding back. Let's see your mutual energy. Four of Swords, Page of Cups, and the Six of Swords. Okay, so what's this Four of Swords, Spirit, for Libra? Yes, this person has been thinking, they're healing, they are praying, they're manifesting that, hey, universe, help me, I don't want to live in regret for the rest of my life. This person has been really thinking. They've been thinking about everything that's happened, everything that's been done. And on the other hand, their partner, because this is a mutual energy, their partner's been healing. And I think kind of given up, because person A had the same card on their side. They're kind of saying, I don't want to live in regret either. And maybe it's time for me to release this connection and maybe go after something which is my Two of Cups now. Yes, both of you, or at least one of you, is still kind of hoping, wishing, praying for things to return, to come back into balance. There's a lot of prayer, there's a lot of healing, there's a lot of wishing going on here, that something happens which can get, people out of feeling regret and sorrow. So, Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups, Page of Cups. What's this Page of Cups? Somebody does want to, 1 second. Just give me a second, my battery is complaining. Okay. So, Page of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Page of Cups and the Ace of Wands. This person really wants to, this is your mutual energy now, and this is what's in store for you. This person really wants to come and say some sweet nothings, maybe apologize or maybe give you a love offer. Libra, this could be you wanting to do that, do this for your partner, because you really do see a passionate new beginning for you and your person. But this feeling of overwhelm stops you. So what's this Ten of Wands, Spirit, that's stopping this apology from coming? Because one person feels that this relationship has already ended, because a lot of secrets are now out and they'll be judged for it. A lot of things have been now exposed about them, and they feel that their partner's already ended the connection. And when they think of all the things that were done, said, spoken, all the secrets that came out, when the minute they start to think, okay, I'm feeling all fired up, I think I want to go towards them, suddenly they start remembering, oh my God, but I said this, or I said that, I did this, I did that. And, this relationship has already been put to a close by my partner. What do I do? What do I do? I'm feeling now stressed out once again. So this is like a loop of very heavy emotions this person is going through. So, Six of Swords, Spirit. Six of Swords. Six of Swords. Six of Swords. Yeah, this is person A. One more. What's this Tower moment coming, Spirit? What's this Tower moment coming? Libra, 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 Libra. 1 second. Tower and the devil is here. Libra, mm, the problem here is that I think both of you right now are not in the right frame of mind. Even though you both really want to communicate with each other, this relationship has really spoiled right now. There's too much toxicity which has happened in this relationship. There have been tower moments, and maybe another one is coming because one person feels that somebody's already made a choice and is no longer willing to give of their love and affection, right? So the communication that person B might take in their fear, in their anxiety, may just end up creating another tower moment. Because this person B is not feeling balanced at all. They already fear rejection. They already fear that their partner's not doesn't love them. They want to go back to their partner, but they may kind of come in with communication which could be a little toxic, and that may just end up creating another tower moment. So just be careful, okay? So if person A, you're the one who's watching this reading, please know person B, if they do come towards you and if they do say something which is not that great, they just want you to choose them. They just want you to choose them, and if you don't choose them immediately, they may kind of create another tower moment out of fear. And person B, if this is you, please know that that's not the way to get your person. Absolutely not. This person has just left because you don't love them, not because they don't love you. Okay? So that's all I have for you. Please deal with your emotions before you approach your partner, Libra. Otherwise, it's going to be another very toxic situation, and there could be another tower moment. Okay? So out of fear, this can erupt once again. So love and light. Take care. Namaste.